Taste of қымыз.
Даниядан келген қонақтар қымыз ішейін деп тұр. Соған реакция түсіреміз.
Let's try.
Too many gas.
Is it sparkling?
Hmm?
It has gas? Sparkling?
Yeah.
Okay. Very interesting.
Oh, I can smell it already.
I cannot smell
It's
anything.
like alcoholic
Okay.
fermented smell.
Mm.
No.
Not anymore. Yeah, tastes like yeast. It smells like the yeast. No, maybe not. Oh, close.
Үлкен кесе алмасақ ше, анау тасиын деп тұр да. Опа, ашылды.
Thank you.
Maybe I can start with a little
Okay.
like this. Okay, thank you.
На здоровье. Yeah, it's not bad. It tastes like beer, honestly.
It's
a little
like
bit.
beer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Alcoholic.
yeah. Is it alcoholic? A little bit.
little bit.
Yeah. So not halal, actually.
It has like wheat taste or what?
Yeah. Mm.
Like beer.
It's surprisingly much like beer, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, not bad.
Not bad.
Mm.
You just have to get used to it, but it's not. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not the worst.
No, of course not. The one in Kyrgyzstan has more smoky flavor.
Mm.
Yeah. Very interesting to try.
Yeah. And the aftertaste is not bad.
Yeah.
It's okay.
You know, with honey. This
Yeah.
this comes
Yeah, I
with
can
honey.
see.
It's with honey.
Yeah.
Ah. So it gets slightly more sweet.
Yeah. Ал енді қымыз қосылған, бал қосылған қымыз ғой. Соны айтып түсіндіріп жатырмын да.
Honey. Like a Turkish bal.
Yeah.
But the original one is without honey.
Yeah.
Which one do you like the most? This one or original?
Original.
Yeah.
Of course.
Okay.
Мынау енді түп нұсқадағыдай емес қой бізде, оригиналдағыдай емес қой. Қолдың қымызына жетпейді да. Бірақ енді болады былай көргенге, қатты сағынғанда ішуге.
Does the foam taste good? Do you drink this also?
Yes.
Yes.
I think you have to drink it when it's very cold.
You drink a beer with foam.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Like
Like
that.
beer.
Yeah, like that, like beer. Yeah. It probably has to be very cold. If this is not cold, it would
It doesn't taste good.
like beer. Like warm beer is not good either. Yeah. But a fine thing actually. But camel milk is sour, right? Sour taste.
Sour.
What is-
Different.
Yeah, different taste.
Different taste.
Yeah. Apple.
Yeah.
Want bread?
Yes. I think it's enough.
Mm.
Все, реакция ұнаса, лайк, коммент.